In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to test your Shopify checkout without using real money. If you want to make sure your checkout works perfectly without charging your card or refunding test purchases, Shopify has a built-in testing tool that makes this quick and safe. We'll turn on a test payment gateway, place a dummy order, and confirm that everything in your flow behaves the way you expect. Start in your Shopify admin on the home dashboard. From there, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where you control the backbone of your store, including your payment configuration. Next, go to the Payments section. On this page, find the area where you can add or change your payment provider and click Choose a Provider. You'll see a list of options. Open the third-party providers list and select the one labeled Bogus Gateway, which is specifically for testing. Go ahead and activate it. Think of Bogus Gateway as a simulator. While it's active, real credit cards won't be charged, and you can safely run through your entire checkout experience. With the test gateway on, head to your online store's storefront. Add any product to your cart, then proceed to checkout. Fill out your customer information and shipping address as you normally would. This is a great moment to glance at shipping rates, taxes, and any discount code behavior to make sure the totals look right. When you reach the payment step, you'll see that the credit card option is powered by the test gateway. Enter any name, any future expiration date, and any 3-digit security code. To control the outcome, use these test numbers for the card field. Enter 1 to simulate a successful payment, 2 to simulate a declined card, or 3 to simulate an error. None of these will charge real money, but they let you verify how your store responds in each case. Place the order and watch what happens. You should land on the order confirmation page, and the order will appear in your admin as paid with the test gateway if you use the successful option. This is a perfect chance to confirm that confirmation emails sent correctly. Check your thank you page messaging and make sure any post-purchase flows behave as intended. That's it. You've just tested your entire checkout without spending a cent. When you're done testing and ready to accept real payments, remember that this test gateway is only for practice. Return to the same payments area to use your live provider again so customers can check out for real.